Hey vlog, I'm with Shailene.
Hey!
Do you want to say what we're doing today?
We are gonna make her super duper blonde without being an all over blonde. So it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, this is starting the process to get back to normal Haile.
Platinum Haile.
Yes, exactly. Okay, we'll be back throughout the process. It's processing right now, so here we go. We're about to tone it up. Okay, I am home. I am cooking dinner right now. And then we have, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. And then tomorrow, we have music to write and things like that. So let's get to dinner. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I made for dinner. I had chicken, broccoli, and potato chip stuff that I made. But, yeah, I forgot to film. I was so hungry. I just had to, just eat. And I'm so tired. I'm getting in bed to go to bed. And then I forgot. I have laundry to put away. So, yay. I gotta go on live. Okay, so I obviously got off live, put all my clothes away. So now I'm in bed. And I will see you in, the morning, but, 2 seconds for you, so. See ya. Morning vlog. It's up. I've been up for about 30 minutes, but it's currently 8 o'clock, and we're gonna go work out. We're at the gym. Workout time. Okay, so workout is done, and of course this is gonna be today's video. But right now I'm making. Am I gonna make my shake? Yeah. So this, take my hair vitamins, shower, and then that's all you'll see of me, because you guys have to watch this video. Now, I do have to do an updated routine, because I do have an updated routine now, now that I just got a schedule made up for me. More for posting, but regardless, it's still a schedule, so. We could do that. I'll try to go do something fun this weekend. So we have videos for that, just because I know these haven't been so entertaining. Is this today's video? I think so. And then I think I'm going to Tampa pretty soon to go see one of my friends. I think I mentioned it yesterday in the vlog, but one of my friends just got back. Well, she's moving back. She's a coach. She's moving back here to be closer to family and stuff, and still has a coaching job. So I'm like, oh, I'll go see her. Why not? Why not? Plus, then I can go see my grandparents. Maybe I'll go over a weekend. Anyways, let's get on with our day. Let's go take a shower, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to share what the next one is. This is a funny angle. I was already recording because I was like, oh, that'd be funny.
All right, to your left. Yep, that one, that left. Right there, perfect. Oh, look.